I have a big problem. This apparently was running, emptying that whole bucket right into the computers and the hybrid battery. It was all flooded. Look at that. There is water. So I'm gonna remove everything off of the car and then let it dry, and hopefully it works. Challenges while traveling. Look at this water.
Sorry, I did that when I was on the phone with this old lady the other day.
Wow, these are all fucking. What's underneath? Oh, probably.
It's weird. Those drains aren't working.
Wow. What the fuck?
There's a lot of water.
Yeah. That is crazy. I left the whole night. Let it dry with this fan on, with the heater, and it's almost dry. And I'm gonna put everything back and see. Hopefully everything works. And hopefully no issues. It's still kind of bad. I don't get it. And once everything is back, hopefully the error codes, everything goes away. Otherwise, it's gonna be a big expense. Based on the damages, it might have been leaking long time ago.
Give me a holler if you need a hand moving the battery back in there.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Thanks. I'm pretty sure there was a leak earlier. These are known to leak from the roof, and based off of these are coming off, that means this leak. Yeah, I found out about the leak because of the water from my jug leaked in, but there probably have been another leak. Otherwise these wouldn't be coming loose like this.
What's this going here?
I'm trying to get the wires out. Heavy. Yep.
Which holes are we lining it up with?
I think
it'll come this way.
Perfect.
There. It's out.
Yeah, perfect, man. Thanks. Hopefully. Hopefully it works.
I'm gonna give you the opportunity to go back to it. I'm gonna give you a hug and
Cool. So before this working on your hybrid battery, always remove this. This will disconnect power to everywhere. So yeah, that's what I did, and hopefully this thing will run. Keeping my fingers crossed.
See you after a little while.
All right, man.
Yeah.
So I started it up, cleared the codes. So far no codes. The codes were coming on really quick. Now I don't see it coming. Hopefully it solved it. What a challenge while traveling. That was scary, really scary. Now this car is running pretty good. First time when I started, it stalled on me on the road, and I was like, I'm stuck here. So somehow it worked, resetted the computer, and I'll be back on the road tomorrow.